I'm so scared. I'm just about to get clapped. I'm about to get my little cheeks clapped by a little nerd. Help me, chat.
I don't like this idea. I'll just be honest.
How do I? Uh-oh. Chat, help me. Help me. Jeez. 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 Oh, I'm so sorry. That's so gross. I have allergies. I need a nurse to come and flush out my nostrils. Any nurses? Any nurses? Actually a meme from Ninja. I don't know this meme. He tweeted it out. What? I just accidentally... How did I get here? What the fuck, cunt? How did I... Where'd my video go? For the next couple of bits on stream, let's watch short films. I'm going to turn off light because I was going to get off stream. Oh my god, this looks really well shot. What the fuck? Terrible things. I want to make a short film. What the fuck? Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Bless you. No, bless you. Thank you. No, bless you. Something good and let her in the kitchen just means like let her go and let her do her. It's not bad or anything. Deny. You know what you did.
Go on, son.
What have you done? What have you...
With the power is the other way. How did you just die? How did you just fucking die?
You killed me, you dog!
Let's go. Just make the jump. You don't need to grab me.
It's pretty wild. Okay, Sex, have you ever been interested in like making game modes and stuff like that? None of this works though at the moment. 12 bullets. Okay, sneaky, sneaky. It's time to go a little bit sneaky. What's this? Don't tell me that's a save point. Uh-oh. Sorry, I'm allergic to manual saves. Oh, sorry, I'm allergic to manual saving. It scares the shit out of me. You know what I mean? It's just so scary. You know.
Very good.
He's 7'7".
Let's do it again.
At Collège Saint-Jean-Vianney, a prep school outside of Montreal,
He's 7'2".
Coach Terry still works with Olivier whenever he's home.
Good. Get back, get back, get back.
Well, tell me about him on the basketball court as a 12-year-old.
His challenges always were this.
Please excuse me, chat.
He had
Please
nice
excuse me.
Work around the basketball.
That's it.
I mean, I'm trying. I don't know. I don't. I'm dying. Man down. Man down.
Such an attention seeker. Oh, God.
I can't help it. It's just within me, brother. You know, it's just within me. How do I get it, like, in though? Hi, wow. Yes, good morning. Sorry, I look ragged. Oh, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna fucking lose it. And one of you guys is gonna get it. Yeah! No. Oh, God.
Chat, stop the spam. Don't
Yeah.
upset our ruler.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, allergies, allergies.
Hi.
Hey, Jinx. How you doing, dude? Good to see you. How you doing? Bless you, no bless you. It just started raining.